Join me as I dive into the ocean to see if I can spot a sea octopus in its natural habitat and discover what makes them the ultimate masters of disguise. In the deep, silent world of the ocean lives a creature so strange, so smart, and so mysterious. It almost feels alien. It can vanish in a puff of smoke, open jars, squeeze through tiny holes, and even change the color and texture of its skin in the blink of an eye. This is the story of the sea octopus, nature's magician, hunter, and master of disguise. The sea octopus belongs to a group of animals called cephalopods, meaning head-foot in Greek. And rightly so, its arms come straight from its head. Basic facts belongs to class Cephalopoda, order Octopoda. Found in all oceans, from coral reefs to deep-sea trenches. There are over 300 species of octopus. But what makes the octopus so fascinating is not how it looks, but what it can do. The octopus is considered the most intelligent invertebrate on Earth. Mind-blowing facts. Has 9 brains, 1 central brain and 1 mini-brain in each arm. Can solve puzzles, learn patterns, and even use tools. Each arm acts semi-independently to explore and manipulate its surroundings. Its brain-to-body ratio is similar to some birds and mammals, making it a true genius of the sea. When threatened, the octopus releases a dark cloud of ink, a smokescreen to confuse predators. Ink contains melanin and a compound called tyrosinase, which irritates the predator's senses. Some octopuses even shape the ink cloud to look like their body. A decoy tactic. It's not just escape, it's deception, evolved. Most animals need just 1 heart, but the octopus has 3. How it works. 2 branchial hearts pump blood to the gills. 1 systemic heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the body. When swimming, the main heart actually stops, which is why they prefer crawling. Even its blood is different. It's blue, because it contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. With 8 long, flexible arms lined with suction cups, the octopus is a stealthy and effective predator. Arms have taste sensors, can taste prey on contact. Suction cups grip with immense power, no bones, just muscle. Eats crabs, clams, shrimp, and even other octopuses. It stalks, hides, and strikes with deadly precision. One of the most jaw-dropping abilities of the octopus is its power to vanish into its environment. How camouflage works. Skin contains chromatophores, pigment cells, also have iridophores, reflective cells, and leucophores, light scattering cells. Can mimic colors, patterns, textures in milliseconds. It doesn't just blend in, it becomes invisible. Adley the octopus is also hunted, not for defense but for food. Considered a delicacy in many parts of the world, especially in Japan, Korea, and the Mediterranean. In some places, caught using nets, spears, or traps, their intelligence raises ethical concerns. Some scientists argue they may feel pain more than other invertebrates. As we learn more about their intelligence, the debate over octopus ethics grows stronger. Mind-blowing octopus facts. Can squeeze through holes the size of a coin. No bones. Can regrow lost arms. Some mimic other sea creatures like lionfish or sea snakes. Most species live only 1 to 2 years. The female dies after laying eggs, guarding them until the end without eating. They are brilliant, bizarre, and beautiful, but tragically short-lived. In scientific labs around the world, octopuses have proven time and again they are thinkers. They can remember locations, learn from experience, and even observe and copy behaviors. In one study, an octopus escaped its tank at night, crawled across the lab floor, opened a neighboring tank, ate the fish, and returned before morning. For a creature with no spine and no voice, the octopus sends a powerful message. Intelligence needs no skeleton. From glowing deep-sea phantoms to walking reef crawlers, the octopus family is full of surprises. Unique octopus species, mimic octopus, Thaumoctopus mimicus, can imitate sea snakes, lionfish, and flatfish. Dumbo octopus, found in deep sea, with ear-like fins that resemble Disney's Dumbo. Blue-ringed octopus, tiny but deadly. Its venom can paralyze a human in minutes. Each species tells a different story of adaptation, camouflage, and survival in some of the world's harshest environments. When ink isn't enough, the octopus has a full toolkit of defenses. Camouflage hides it in plain sight. Jet propulsion lets it shoot away quickly. Diamatic displays, sudden flashes of color, confuse predators, and if all else fails, it can detach an arm to escape, which will regrow later. It's a creature built for deception and escape. In the underwater web of life, the octopus plays a key role. Predator and prey, it keeps crustacean populations in check and feeds larger species like sharks and eels. Ecosystem engineer, by digging and disturbing seabeds, octopuses help aerate ocean floors, allowing other organisms to thrive. Even without Today, octopuses are inspiring the future of science and technology. Used in neuroscience to understand distributed intelligence inspiring, soft robotics, flexible robots that mimic octopus arms. Octopus genes are being studied for evolutionary secrets, may even hold clues for brain-like computing and adaptive camouflage tech in studying the octopus. We are rewriting what it means to be intelligent. But as we discover more, a deeper ethical question arises. Should we eat an animal so intelligent? Captivity causes stress and depression in octopus's farming efforts, raise moral concerns worldwide. Countries like UK now legally recognize cephalopods as sentient beings. Understanding must lead to compassion, or our curiosity becomes cruelty. As the oceans change, the octopus adapts, but for how long? Rising ocean temperatures affect breeding and behavior. Habitat destruction threatens coral reefs where octopuses hunt and hide. Pollution like microplastics infiltrate the food chain. The story of the octopus is still being written. Whether it ends in extinction or evolution is up to us. A backbone. It supports the balance of the reef. The octopus has long fascinated human cultures as both a monster and a mystery. In Pacific legends, it's seen as a sea spirit. In Norse mythology, the kraken, a giant octopus-like beast, terrified sailors. Today, it inspires science fiction, art, robotics, and even deep-sea exploration technologies. From folklore to AI, the octopus continues to influence our imagination. Despite their powers of escape, the octopus now faces dangers they can't vanish from. Overfishing and habitat destruction threaten many species. Plastic pollution enters their habitats and food chains. Climate change affects ocean temperatures and breeding cycles. For a creature once safe in its sea fortress, the world is growing more dangerous. The octopus teaches us something rare in nature, that intelligence and vulnerability can live in the same body. It has no shell, no bones, no social group, yet it survives through adaptation, awareness, and innovation. To understand the octopus is to better understand evolution, intelligence, and survival itself. Hidden in shadows, gliding through currents, watching silently, the sea octopus continues to write its story, far from our eyes. In a world of sharks and whales, the octopus stands apart, not by size but by mind. It is not just a hunter, but an escape artist, shapeshifter, and silent thinker of the sea. As we explore our oceans, we uncover not just new species but new stories. And the sea octopus is one of the most mysterious tales ever told. Protect our oceans. Respect every creature, even the strangest among us.